So I have all these great reports in Excel. Isn't that good enough for reporting? Do I really need to do anything more? Hi, I'm Andy with Integrity Data Insights. We help companies of all sizes with their data and reporting needs. When a client is evaluating whether they should transform some of their Excel into something else, such as Power BI and Tableau, well, I have 4 questions that will help guide that. First question is, how much effort does it take to produce the Excel? If it takes somebody a week to produce it, or a team of people, it's definitely a good candidate for looking to modernize that report. Second question is, how timely does that data need to be? If it's a report that is looked at once a year, maybe it's fine on Excel. If it's something that, the sales leaders need to know the pulse on a weekly or daily basis, you definitely may want to look at modernizing that type of report. The third question is, how are the users interacting with the report? And maybe there's one report that marketing and sales both use, and maybe marketing is, creating extra pivot tables or something else to see the data a different way. Those are another really good candidate for modernization, where you can do drill throughs, you can do drop downs and slicers, filters, all kinds of interactability, so that each of the separate user groups could get to exactly what they need. And the fourth and final question is, how complex are the data sets? And some of these, if it's really taxing Excel, if it's a huge volume of data, it probably is time to get off Excel and get into something more stable. If you'd like to learn more about me or my company, go to our website, integritydi.com, click on the Schedule a Consultation link. I'd love to talk to you more about your reporting and analytics. Thanks so much for joining me.